This is the Oppo A76. Just like most Oppo mid-range phones today, the A76 has a simple but solid design with a smooth matte finish for the back panel that features a charming Oppo Glow technology. It is available in glowing black and glowing blue colorways. We love how this design is fingerprint and dust resistant. Holding the phone, it feels very thin and has the right amount of weight. Also, this device is slim, making it pretty comfortable. Taking a closer look at the display, we get a sizable 6.56-inch IPS LCD display, with a 90Hz refresh rate, 1612 by 720 resolution, and pixel density of 269 ppi. The 180Hz touch sampling provides good responsiveness and is very useful in usage scenarios such as playing games. Unfortunately, it's HD+ only. The display is still bright enough to use indoors and outdoors, colors are vibrant and offers good viewing angles, thanks to its sizable screen. Audio-wise, the phone has a single downward-firing speaker that emphasizes the mids for better phone call reception, but the rest of the sound profile is nothing to write home about. The audio jack has mercifully stayed in this phone, so you can use your favorite pairs when you want a better sound experience. Unlike its predecessor, which has a triple rear camera setup, this phone features a dual rear setup that consists of a 13MP main camera and 2MP for mono. Meanwhile, for selfies you get an 8MP shooter. Quality-wise, in standard mode, daylight photos come out fairly good, details are present, while the dynamic range and color reproduction can be further improved. Running the software department is ColorOS 11.1 that's based on Android 11. And like previous ColorOS versions, there are tons of customization options here where you change icon styles, app layout, fingerprint style, change font and colors. There's also an app drawer option in the settings, and you can easily adjust the navigation buttons the way you want them to be arranged. Under the hood, the Oppo A76 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G SoC, with a Adreno 610 GPU and 6GB of RAM. The day-to-day usage of the A76 is pretty decent. It can handle basic tasks like streaming, web browsing, messaging and calls. However, launching apps and multitasking is quite slow. As for connectivity, the Oppo A76, same with its predecessor, has the basic features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, FM radio and 4G LTE for connectivity. When it comes to battery, the device packs a large 5000 mAh capacity with 33 watts SuperVOOC. This device can last at least a day if you're not a heavy user, and takes no more than an hour to charge up from 0 to 100%. The Oppo A76 seems to be a downgrade from its predecessor, the Oppo A74, with the latter's AMOLED display, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and better cameras in general. However, if you don't care about those features, this phone gives you a better processor, a stylish design, and faster charging. So, will you be getting this phone? Let us know in the comments. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more.